we will be talking about issues that happen in immigration. For the first issue, Encik Mulyadi claimed a hefty deduction of around 40,000 for business travelling and entertainment expense, but failed to maintain or produce any valid invoice, logbooks or business receipts. For second, the audit revealed that Encik Mulyadi deliberately hid an offshore consultancy fee of RM30,000 in a foreign bank account. He falsely believed that IRBM would never discover it.
Now I will talk about the legal cost action. So first, to trigger a legal dispute, Encik Mulyadi must utilize the correct legal avenue. This means filing the specific document known as Form Q, which acts as his formal notice of appeal to the specific commoners of income tax. Timing is everything here. Now, by law, Form Q must be submitted within 30 days from the days he received the notice of additional assessment. For Encik Mulyadi, this gives him a hard statutory deadline of 14 January 2026 to get his paperwork in.
But where's the possibility the appeal must be submitted to? Well, the appeal must be submitted and addressed to the Director General Inland Revenue or DGIR. DGIR is the authority responsible for receiving and reviewing the taxpayers' appeal under the Income Tax Act 1967. Besides that, Encik Mulyadi must also clearly state the grounds of his appeal in Form Q. In other words, he needs to explain why he believes the additional assessment is incorrect and provide supporting reasons or evidence to justify his claim. These requirements are important to ensure that the appeal can be properly considered by the IRBM.
Okay, next I'm gonna explain on what is the legal avenue available under the Income Tax Act 1967 if assuming that Encik Mulyadi misses the official deadline. So legal avenue is he can apply for an extension of time by submitting a Form N, which is application for extension of time for giving notice of appeal. It has a requirement of he must state a reasonable cause for delay and support his application with relevant evidence such as medical certificate. That's all for me. Okay, next I'm gonna explain on what is the legal avenue available under the income tax.
So today I'm going to talk about the legal implication of hiding offshore consultancy fees. So the taxability of foreign income, or which is an income arising from a business managed and controlled within, is considered Malaysian source of income, even though it was outside of Malaysia. So the offence and penalty is deliberately omitting income from a tax return with intent to evade tax falls under section 114 of the ITA 1967. So the penalties are a fine not less than RM1,000 ringgit and not more than RM20,000 ringgit Malaysia, and imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years or both, and he will also be liable to a treble penalty 200% of the amount taxed under